Всем мы продолжаем это все делать. So we're continuing to do our video about burping. Sorry, because we had to switch it off. So if you like and subscribe us, we'll make more videos about Minecraft or more burping. Or about more. And we'll do in Minecraft time like funny games and